Hello friends, do you find yourself sitting like shown in this clip? If so, we need to correct that immediately. This is because poor posture is the cause for almost all major pains in your body. Whether it be back pain, whether it be shoulder pain, whether it be wrist pain, it all starts from your posture. No matter what therapies you do to fix it, whether you do some corrective exercises, whether you apply some oil or anything, and whether you feel the back pain going away, when you sit in the bad posture again, it is bound to come back. So we need to fix the root cause of the problem, which is your posture. And I'm sure you'd have tried a lot and you would have been overwhelmed by the information all over the internet. It may seem very complicated to maintain a good posture, but in this video, I'll be explaining to you proper posture in just 3 simple rules. Just follow these 3 golden rules and you're good to go. Okay friends, let's get around to it. This is Anand Menon and you're watching Fitness Matters. If you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and show your support. The first golden rule to live by is always have the screen at your eye level. The moment the screen is below your eye level, you start to slouch. Your body automatically adjusts so that your eyes are at screen level. So if it's below my eye level, body automatically assumes this position. We start to round our back, which causes many problems. So the first thing, set it at eye level. So these days you get laptop stands, which is the standard way of fixing the problem. But a quick alternative solution would be to arrange some books or some other things to raise the height. So in this case, I'll use these books. Yeah. So now it's almost at my eye level. Still a little bit short though. I'll just add one more book to this. Yes. Now it's exactly at my eye level. Right. So the top of the screen should be at your eye level. So that ensures we don't have to slouch. Now, the second golden rule to live by is don't reach out for anything. The moment you start to reach out for anything, that is the time when your shoulders start rounding. For example, if I want to type anything, I'm like this. If I don't have a mouse, I'll be using the screen over here. So I again have to reach. So make sure that you don't have to reach out for anything. If you're using just a laptop, this may require you to install additional peripherals like keyboard and a mouse. So when you have a keyboard and a mouse with you, you can sit straight and you don't have to reach out for anything here. If you're using the mouse, again, you don't have to go reach out for anything. You can just click like this. So I'm not rounding my shoulder and my posture is good. On a side note to this point, ensure that your shoulders are relaxed. That is, you don't have to sit up in a hunched position like this, and your wrists are not facing upwards. Like if the keyboard is at a higher level like this, I may have to maintain this position while typing. This places stress on the wrist. Ensure that the keyboard is at your wrist level. When I said that you don't have to reach, this is implied. So when you don't have to reach, your wrists are relaxed and you're in a good position. Now, the third golden rule is keep your hips as close to the back of the chair as possible. Like this. The moment our hips come further away from the chair, our back starts rounding. Like this. This causes pressure on the lumbar spine. So we don't want that. We always need to keep our hips as close to the chair as possible. So that ensures that we are sitting up upright. Now, while your hips are as close to the chair as possible, your screen is at eye level and you don't have to reach out for anything. Now, just consciously think of maintaining good posture. Okay folks. Now, just one more bonus tip. Ensure that your knees are parallel to your hips. Now, this doesn't need to be set separately because most of the chairs are designed for the average person's height. But if you're extremely tall or if you're quite on the shorter side, this may require you to have an adjustable chair in which you can keep adjusting the height. Okay, folks, so these are just 3 golden rules to live by. When you follow these 3 golden rules, your body assumes a good posture. Now, it's often recommended that you don't sit in one position all day and instead keep changing your position. But I wouldn't recommend that. What happens is, when you keep changing your position, unless you make a very conscious effort, you're guaranteed to screw up your posture again. Instead, what I recommend is, after every 30 to 60 minutes, take a small break. Get up, go for a walk, do some stretches. I discussed in my previous video stretches to stretch your pecs, to correct rounded shoulders, to stretch your hips, anything. Or just go for a walk, or drink water, hydrate yourself, and then get back to your seat. Like for every 30 to 60 minutes of work, take a 30 to 60 seconds of rest. I'm sure you can manage that. So when you do that, you are guaranteed a good posture and a healthy body throughout your work. And that is what I recommend, instead of changing your posture every now and then. Okay folks, that's all for this video. Hope you found it useful. If so, click the thumbs up button and show your support. This is Anand Menon. Thank you so much for watching.